Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zac.
Hello, Zac. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about today's topic, at a restaurant.
Yes, at a restaurant. That is a great topic. It's something we all do.
Right. We eat out, we meet friends, we order food, we practice English.
Today, we will talk slowly. We will use simple words. We will talk like two friends.
And we will tell small stories. We will share real feelings. That will help you learn.
Okay, imagine we are at a restaurant now. The door is open. It is warm inside. The smell of food is nice.
I can see a menu. The menu is big. There are pictures. I feel happy and a little nervous.
I feel the same. When I go to a new restaurant, I feel excited and I feel nervous too.
Why nervous, Zac?
Because I want to choose the right food. I want to order well. I do not want to make a mistake.
Ah, yes, that is common. Many learners feel like that, but it's okay. We will practice words for menus and orders today.
First, some simple words you will hear. Menu, the list of food. Waiter or waitress, the person who helps you. Cook, the person who makes food. Bill, the paper with the price. Tip, extra money for good service.
Good. Now let's practice a short dialogue with the waiter.
Soft, slow. Excuse me, can we have the menu, please?
Soft. Sure. Thank you.
Now you will hear other useful phrases. Do you have any specials today? This asks about the best food of the day. What do you recommend? Ask this if you do not know what to choose. I am allergic to, very important. Can I have this without, for changes?
Yes, safety first. If you are allergic to nuts, say, I'm allergic to nuts. The waiter will listen.
Okay, let's act it out. I will be the guest and you be the waiter, but we will speak slowly. Ready?
Ready.
Hello, could I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few minutes?
A few minutes, please. Thank you.
Good. That sounds natural. In a real restaurant, take a little time, read slowly, look at pictures, ask questions.
Now, sometimes the menu has words that are new. For example, appetizer or starter, a small dish before the main dish. Main course, the big dish. Dessert, sweet food after the meal. Beverage, a drink.
Yes, and side dish like fries or vegetables that come with the main dish, salad, a mix of vegetables, soup, hot liquid food.
Okay, story time. I will tell a short story about my first time in a fancy restaurant. I was young. I was with my family. I looked at the menu. The words were hard. I said, I will have the chicken. The waiter smiled and asked, how would you like it cooked? I did not know. I felt shy.
Oh no, what did you do?
I said, just cooked. The waiter laughed kindly. Then he said, do you prefer grilled or fried? I learned the word. I chose grilled. It was tasty. I felt proud.
That is a great story. Many learners do that. It's okay to not know every word. People are kind. Ask simple questions. Say, what does this mean? Or how is this cooked?
Yes. Also, watch for small words like rare, medium, well done for meat. If you like your beef very cooked, say well done. If you like it soft and pink, say medium. If you like it very soft and red, say rare.
And if you don't eat meat, say I am a vegetarian or I do not eat meat. If you don't eat pork, say I do not eat pork. Simple, clear.
Now, let's practice ordering. I will order for both of us. We're at a small, friendly restaurant.
Go ahead.
Hello, we are ready to order. For an appetizer, we will have the tomato soup. For main course, I will have the grilled salmon with rice. Zoe will have the pasta with tomato sauce. And for dessert, we will share the chocolate cake. Thank you.
That was clear. Short sentences, good.
Now, sometimes in a restaurant, they ask, would you like anything to drink? Good answers, yes please, I will have water. Or yes please, I would like a soda. Or no thank you.
And if they ask, would you like sparkling or still water? Sparkling means the water has bubbles. Still water has no bubbles.
Nice. Here is another small story. One time I ordered tea in a restaurant. The waiter asked, "Sugar?" I smiled and said, "A little, please." Then the tea came very sweet. I learned to ask, "No sugar, please," or "1 sugar, please."
Good tip. Practice the small words. They make big differences.
Okay, now a few polite phrases. Excuse me, to get someone's attention. Could I have, to ask for something. May I have, more formal. Thank you, always say it. Could we have the bill, please, when you want to pay?
And if you want to split the bill, say, "Can we split the bill?" or "Can we pay separately?" If you pay with a card, say, "Do you accept credit cards?" or "Can I pay by card?"
Good. Tip talk. In the US, people often leave a tip. A tip is extra money for good service. Common tips are 15 to 20% of the bill. If service is great, people may give 20%. If not good, maybe 10% or less. But if you don't know, you can ask a local friend or look it up.
Remember, tipping rules are different in different countries. In some places, service is included in the price. In other places, tipping is not common. Ask or watch what others do.
Now, emotions. Eating at a restaurant can make you feel many things. Happy, excited, tired, nervous. I remember a time I was very tired, but I went to a small cafe. The waitress smiled. The coffee was warm. I felt calm. That small kindness changed my day.
Yes, for me, a small meal with a friend feels safe. I talk and laugh. The food tastes better when I am with a friend.
That is true. Food is more than food. It's about people. It's about stories.
Now, a little practice with mistakes. If you get the wrong dish, what do you say? You can say, "Excuse me, I ordered the chicken, but this is the fish." Say it kindly. The waiter will fix it. People understand.
And if the food is too hot, say, "Excuse me, this is very hot. Can you please wait a few minutes?" If the food is cold, say, "Excuse me, my food is cold. Could you warm it up, please?" Keep your voice calm. Smile. Be polite.
Okay, now some vocabulary for tastes. Delicious, very good. Tasty, nice taste. Bland, not much taste. Spicy, hot with spices. Salty, tastes like salt. Sweet, like sugar. Sour, like lemon. Bitter, strong taste like coffee.
Practice with a sentence. This soup is delicious. This salad is a little salty. The sauce is a bit spicy. Simple, clear.
Now let's do a small role play where something funny happens. You order the salad, but you get a big cake. What do you say?
Surprised, "Excuse me, I did not order cake. I ordered the salad."
Kind. "Oh, I'm sorry. Let me take that back. Do you want the salad now?"
This is funny. We laugh. The waiter smiles. Mistakes can be funny. They can teach us new words.
Yes, laughing is good. It makes learning easy.
Now, the user asked us to remind listeners to support the channel. Zoe, do you want to say that?
Sure. After this main topic, please subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English. Please share this episode with your friends.
Thank you. That helps us so much. When you subscribe, we make more lessons. When you like, more people can find the video. When you share, your friends can also learn. We appreciate every small help.
Okay, back to the restaurant. Now, sometimes you see new words like gluten-free, vegan, organic. Gluten-free means no wheat. Vegan means no animal products. Organic means the food is grown without many chemicals. These words help people choose food.
Another time, I went to a small restaurant and the waiter said, "Our soup today is vegan and gluten-free." I felt happy because I'm careful about my stomach. I tried it and it was very good.
Personal story. I once ordered a large portion by mistake. I felt bad to waste food. I asked the waiter if I could take the rest home. He gave me a box. I felt relieved. Many restaurants will give you a box to take home. You can say, "Can I get a box, please?" or "Can I take this home?"
Yes, takeaway or to go are words to learn. In the US, people say, "Can I get this to go?" or "Can I have a doggy bag?" Doggy bag is a friendly word for the box to take home.
Good. Now a small practice about paying. You finish your meal, you want to pay. You catch the waiter's eye. You say, "Could we have the bill, please?" or "May I pay?" The waiter brings the bill. If you pay by card, he will come back with a machine. You sign or enter a PIN. If you pay cash, give the money and take the change.
Also, when you leave, say thank you, have a nice day, or thank you, it was great. Little words of kindness go a long way.
Okay, another short story. Once I took a guest to a restaurant. The guest ordered food for both of us. I wanted to pay, but he insisted. After the meal, he said, "This is my treat." I felt happy and touched. Small acts make good memories.
Yes, and sometimes we want to be polite with the person who treated us. You can say, "Thank you so much. I will get the next one." Or, "Thank you, that was very kind."
Now, a quick mini quiz. We will say a phrase, and you say how to reply. First, waiter, would you like dessert? You.
Good question. You can say, "Yes, please. I would like the ice cream." Or, "No, thank you. I'm full." Short replies like these are perfect.
Next, waiter, how would you like your steak? You.
Say, "Medium, please," or "Well done, please," or "Rare, please." Keep it short. Next, friend, do you want to split the bill? You. Say, "Yes, let's split it," or "No, I will pay this time," or "Can we pay separately?" Easy.
Now, some feelings again. Sometimes we feel shy to speak English in a restaurant. That is normal. I once felt my voice shake. I took a deep breath. I spoke slowly. The waiter smiled. We finished the order. I felt good.
That is important. Speak slowly. Use short sentences. People understand. Use simple words. Say, "I would like," and "Thank you." Practice at home with a friend.
We will end with a final practice scene, short and slow. Pretend you are at a cafe. You order coffee and a sandwich. Speak to the waiter.
"Hello, I would like a cup of coffee, please, and a chicken sandwich. Thank you."
Would you like anything else?
"No, thank you. That is all."
Okay, I will bring it soon.
Perfect. Now some closing thoughts. Eating out is simple and fun. Use small phrases. Be polite. Ask questions when you do not understand. People will help you.
Also, remember the little things. Smile, say thank you, try new food. Take a deep breath if you are nervous. Learning happens with practice.
Before we go, one more reminder. Please subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English and share this episode with your friends.
Thank you. We feel happy when you watch and share. It gives us energy to make more simple lessons for you.
Okay, final takeaway. Food brings people together. Language helps us connect. Be brave. Order the dish you love. Try a new word. Say hello to the waiter. Say thank you at the end. Small steps make big changes.
Yes, keep practicing. Talk with friends, read menus, pretend and practice at home. You will get better. You will feel more confident.
Thanks for listening today. We loved talking with you. We hope you feel ready for your next restaurant visit.
Bye for now. See you in the next episode. Keep learning and have fun.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care and enjoy your next meal.